Is that your eyelid?
Wrong.
That is absolutely.
Oh, I fall apart. Ooh, yeah. She told me that I'm not enough.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to unbag my June. Yes, June. Okay, so this is the color that I think there was different colors for the bag. Ipsy's $10 a month, and it's so good, so worth it, because you always get a little makeup bag too. But anyway, so I got a yellow one, it's cute. I got 2 masks, which I put every single time that I don't want masks. Every single time on the reviews, I put like the lowest amount of star, like 1 star, and then like I don't like this product or whatever. But I still get them every month. Yeah. Okay, so in my Ipsy, which I'm actually excited to try, which is weird for me, this is a Steve Laurent. I stick to I like shiny eyeshadow, but more normal colors, and like pink, like light pink, which I'm wearing. This is a really it's called Sea Green, which, yeah, definitely you can tell that that's green. Super bright. I don't really know when I would wear this, but it's still cool to try. It's Steve Laurent, so that's awesome. The next thing I got, which I'm not excited for at all, is a Cake Deserted Island Ready to Go Body Mousse, which I'm guessing is just like a lotion. And I didn't want this at all. I don't like this. I don't want to use this. I just want makeup products. But I guess it's alright. Okay, and this I'm super excited for. This is a Makeup Forever. I love Makeup Forever. Step 1, Skin Equalizer. So this is just a primer. A small sample of their primer, which I'm going to definitely try because that's awesome. And the last thing I got, which I love that you can also get brushes in this. It's only $10 and you can get brushes. Is a little Luxie brush. Has a tiny little end, but it is still the pretty pink Luxie brush, and it's an eyeshadow brush. So that's awesome that I got. My favorite thing was, even though I'm not gonna use it on a day-to-day basis, was probably this eyeshadow, just because I think it would be fun to try a cool color like that. Probably put it like under my eye. What's it called? Like near the waterline right here. I don't know what that's called. Yeah, so that was my favorite thing. I mean, it's definitely not the best Ipsy that I've gotten, but it's still good. I still think it's worth it. I think everyone should get Ipsy. If you can get Ipsy, you should definitely get it because it's worth it. But yeah, thank you for watching my video. Make sure to thumbs it up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.
And she left me with a broken heart.